Okay, well I've got some packets arrived today. I thought, I'll just open them up on camera because if there's something wrong, I'll have a video record of something missing or something anyway, whatever. But yeah, I think it's mostly my electronics components. Yeah, well you never know, do you? I'm guessing that it'll probably be in our presets and my diodes probably, because I don't think there's any PCBs. Well, I haven't run out of the PCB stuff yet, but I still have some PCBs to arrive as well. I don't like running out of those in case I need. Let's see, what the hell is this? Oh, my drills. Oh, cool. My 0.8mm drills. That's what I really need. Because they come in a little tube. 10. It's got a flipping Chinese brand name on it, which is typical. Well, the China ones aren't supposed to arrive for quite some time. I ordered some from the UK. I have no idea how you open this bloody thing. Oh, it looks like it's all gunked up with sticky tape. So there's a Chinese writing on the top, and I can't read that, but underneath it's a straight shank. Twist rolls, size 0.3. So it looks like these are the 0.3 ones I was waiting for. And I've got to peel this blooming tape off to get the damn thing open. Well, I'm not going to take the tape all the way off just in case the lid needs fastening or something, but oh god, how many is in there? It said 10, but Jesus Christ, these shanks are really small. I hope it's going to fit my drill. Yeah, these are really, really tiny. Oh, you can barely see the damn things. You know, actually, I'll probably need a bit slightly bigger ones than those, but these look a bit smaller than 0.3. I don't know. Where's my magnifying glass gone? Oh my god. Yeah, these look smaller than 0.3. I don't know. Anyway, they are very tiny. And they might not even fit in my grill. I mean, they might slip on the brass insert. But yeah, well, I'll just have to hope for the best, because I think I might have got the small. I think I should have gone for the 0.4mm ones, but. Anyway, we'll have a look what else I've got. Just to put that tape on so the lid doesn't come off. Right, so that's those. I'll stick them in this bag actually, back where they belong, so I won't get lost. Right, that's one packet down. And what's this one? Again, obviously, look at the leaflet, see what it says. doesn't actually tell me there's 12 of these anyway. Forgotten now. What did I get 12 of? Oh, the diodes. Ah, cool. Yeah, the shocky diodes. So there's actually 12 shocky diodes in here. They've stapled right through the bloody thing. Let's get this staple out. If I can. So these are the 5, is it the 5-1? Yeah, anyway. Oh, they've stapled it twice. Oh my god. Talk about overkill. I need something to prise that staple up. Can't find my screwdriver. Oh, there it is. Come on, you bugger. Right. I hope there's no more staples. Oh, it looks like just 2 staples. I don't know why they bothered stapling it twice. Yeah, so these are my shocky diodes. Supposed to have a voltage drop of about actually about the same as the drills, actually about 0.3 volts. I must be having a 0.3 week or something. Yeah, those are okay. Let's let me just get my meter on that. I want to just do a check, make sure. Where's the red lead gone? Oh god, it's tangled up with something. Right. There's that diode. I'm going to lose the damn thing. Right. Right, that's the right way. Oh, 0.160. Cool. Exactly what I'm looking for. They're actually even better than the germanium OA90s. And it actually, ironically speaking, I went and put 2 OA90s in my circuit previously, and I forgot actually how bloody expensive those things are. OA90 germanium signal diodes are, you're talking about, they're like £3 each or something silly. They're bloody expensive things anyway, so shockies are the definite alternative, because I really don't need something that they don't carry much current actually. Germanium diodes, they can only carry 10 milliamps. I mean 10 milliamps is tiny. They're easy to destroy. But I was only using them on a driver circuit, you know, for the base transistors. So, but I'm much happier to use shocky diodes actually, because they can carry a bit more current. So I've got 12 of these, so I'm not going to be stuck for a while at least. And they were selling like hotcakes on eBay. There was one seller that was completely out of these. I think there's a 515. Oh, I can't remember the number now. Anyway, they were the popular ones, the lowest voltage drop. And anyway, just to show you again on the meter. Oops, I don't know if you saw it on the meter, but I'll try and get the light on the meter there. But they've got a voltage drop of 0.160, which is really, really good. That's the diode there. 0.160. Obviously they conduct a bit lower than that when you warm them up, because thermal. When you warm a diode up, it will actually conduct more. The voltage drop will be even less when they warm up to certain temperatures, because you can use the diode as a temperature coefficient measuring device. Just like you can also use transistors the same way. Right, so the diodes are here. Oh, and that's cool. I'll stick this back in this packet. I really could do with a smaller packet than this one though. So big bag. It's a really big bag, this thing. So I don't think I'm going to staple it again. I'm just going to stick an elastic band around it or something. Actually a bit of Captain tape. I've got a load of spare Captain tape lying around up here, so used Captain tape. I'll just stick a piece of that around it for now, so they don't fly out on me. So that's those. And what else have we got in here? There'll be the trimmers. I'm just trying to keep tidy of these, put these pieces of paper back in the envelopes, because I have such a lot of junk, I really do. There's another one to open. What's this one? Are they in the paper like they usually are? No. Oh yeah, it looks like it's the it's the 500k trimmers. So I've got the 500k trimmers which I needed. These are for the duty cycle. Got plenty of those. It says TME bag, time bag. It could, if it had an I in it, it'd be a time travel bag by the looks of it. Oh well. So I've got my 500k trimmers. So that's those. And the others should be the. Actually, no, I've already got the others. I already got the 100k trimmers. So what the hell are these? I've forgotten now. Let's see what these are. Oh, cool! My regulators. They've arrived too. Yay! So I've got my 7AL 12 volt regulators. So I've got a whole bag of those. Don't know how many there's in there. It's 10. So there's 10 regulators. So I'm not short of those now. The only thing I'm still waiting for is the 50 milliamp. I've actually ordered some 50 milliamp PTC fuses. But I mean, I can certainly have a go at drilling that board. But those drills might look a bit too small to fit in my my brass chuck on my drill. Well, I'm just hoping that they will fit, and if they don't fit, then I'm going to have to make the shank a bit bigger or something so that it's a tight fit, because the shank tends to slip. So I've got those trimmers. I've already got the 100k trimmers across the room, and I've got my regulators now. So I actually ordered some other drill bits as well. You won't believe how expensive those drills were though. £3 flipping, was it £3 somewhere? And there was about 85 pence postage on it, so they weren't cheap. So anyway, it's only a quick live stream. I just wanted to record it just in case there was a problem when I opened the packet and there was something missing or something, you know. Because you get this problem with eBay sometimes. But it looks like the regulators are there. Actually, I need to get my magnifying glass on that so I can read it just to make sure. 7AL12, yeah. And how many is there in there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, I've lost count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hang on. Damn it, you can't count stuff when they're scattered all over the place. It's just so difficult. I'm just going to try and get them in a straight line. They're very hard to count when they're in a bag. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's 10 in there. Okay, there's 10, which is what's supposed to be. Yeah, I'm not even going to attempt to count them drills right now, but I'm just going to have to trust them. Well, I should be able to count the blue trimmers easy enough to make sure they're all there. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're moving around, that's what's confusing me. I'm trying to get them. When you're counting them and they start moving around, you lose count. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's 10 there too. So that's good. Yeah. Right, I'll stick them in my pile. Ready for when the other bits arrive. I can probably have a go at drilling that board though. If that really goes in a bit. And if the shank is too loose to get tightened up on in the because I'm using what you call it, brass insert, collet chuck. That's it. I couldn't think of the word. It's a collet chuck. They tend to wear out in the middle where they contact the drills, and they slip and they wear the brass away, and then you end up with that you can't get the small, the tiny drills in, and they won't clamp up on you. But I could possibly. One way around that is to get my tiny drills is to dip them in some resin and let them dry or something and stick them the shank up. I could try that. That's possibly an idea of doing. I just need to get the shanks a bit thicker so they don't slip on me. Hi, are you watching? Well, there's not much to show right now, but there's my previous board. I don't know if I showed it to you, but yeah, you've probably seen it already. Yeah, hopefully the new one's going to be a lot better, a lot tidier when I get it done. And I don't have to have this great big chunky regulator in there anymore, because this regulator actually eats power more than the actual circuit does. These big I've got this clipped on right now, but these big regulators, because they can deliver like, I think it's 2 amps or 1 amp or something, I've forgotten. Anyway, I think it's 1 amp or something, but they're just so big. They actually use a lot of quiescent current when you're not using them. So I won't have to use one of them big things anymore. I can stick the smaller ones in. I should see a huge improvement on my current consumption, that's for sure. So I can swap that out. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to kill the stream and carry on watching Z again, because I was watching a recording. I actually missed some of what he was saying yesterday about hard drives. I don't know, was he live again while I was asleep? Did I miss something? Because I don't recall watching that. He was talking about solid state hard drives and about security. About how you can't wipe all the data off, and that's quite true, that's very true. I do have a solid state drive on one of my petitions, but I haven't used it actually. I don't really go onto that system much. It's another Windows XP system and another Windows 7 system, but he must have streamed that while I was asleep, because I don't remember him talking about that yesterday when he was live, unless it was early today, I don't know. It says the 25th. Hang on. It said it was streamed on. No, it says streamed live on 24th. I must have seen that. I don't get it. I maybe wasn't paying attention. Anyway, I'm gonna end this stream.